So welcome to this video. Have you ever wondered how to renew the subscription of your Airtel 5G router, either 4G or 5G router? There are ways you can get your subscription done when it expires. So in this video, we're going to see how you can renew your Airtel 5G subscription. So if you are new to this channel, kindly take time to subscribe to it and like our videos. If you have any question, you can comment below. So in your phone, you go to your browser. So there are different ways you can get this done. So we're going to start. There are two ways. In this video, we're going to see two ways you can get your Airtel 5G router renewed. First of all, you go to any browser on your phone. In this browser, we're using Opera Mini. You just go to your UI section and type in airtel.com.ng // broadband charge. Then you press enter. So this is the address now. This is the airtel.com broadband recharge online portal. So you see, it says here, enter your router MiFi number. So I'm going to enter the number now. Enter your number. So as you can see, so you can see the various bundles that are available now after we've entered our number. You can see the various bundle. It has weekly, monthly. This is all the plans for it. It has 3 months plans. It has monthly. It has weekly. This is the monthly plan. That's the monthly plan here. Let's click on it. The number, enter your email. You send an OTP, enter your email, send an OTP to you. Then you proceed with send your email, payment card, then you have different methods. When you enter your phone number, your email, phone number, you send an OTP to you. The payment method, you see it here, into payment. There are 3 ways on this Airtel Smart Cash. When you enter your when you've done that, you send your data plan to you. After you have done that, so that's one of the ways. These ways you can renew your subscription. So in another way, we're going to see another way to get this done. Another way to get this done is the Airtel app. You go on Google Play Store, or if you are using an iPhone, you go to the Apple Store. You download it and open it. When you've opened it, you get it activated. This is the Airtel app now. You can see it shows you the airtime, the voice balance, and the data balance. So in the Airtel app, you click on buy bundle. Where in the bundle, you see the breakdown here. See the Airtel offer. You head over and click on data pack. So you see the various data pack available here. You choose from the one if you want to buy. And you can get it. As you can see, it has a similar purchase method as the one we checked earlier. You can see it here. You can buy through the smart cash. You can pay with pay stack. So that is how you can register. You can renew your Airtel 5G router subscription. This method is also applicable to your Airtel 4G MiFi. So thank you for watching. If you have any video, you can comment, ask any question rather, you can comment below. See you in the next video.